Today, I'm going to show you something that's completely changing how we interact with AI image generation. Leonardo AI has introduced Flow State, a feature that might just make traditional prompting feel like ancient history. The best part? You can try it for free right now. Let me start by taking you back to the early days of AI image generation. Remember those endless prompts we had to write? They were packed with technical terms like hyper-realistic, octane render, 8K resolution, and countless other keywords just to get a decent image. Not to mention those lengthy negative prompts to avoid common AI artifacts. While language models have made prompting more natural, we still needed to specify many technical details until now. Flow State is Leonardo's answer to this complexity. Instead of writing elaborate prompts, you can now use simple, natural language and let the interface do the heavy lifting. Let me show you how it works with a simple example. Let's say I want to create an image of a futuristic library. In the past, I'd need to write a paragraph-long prompt. With Flow State, I just write futuristic library with floating books and then use the intuitive interface to explore different styles. The sidebar gives us several options. Style presets ranging from photorealistic to artistic, lighting options from natural to dramatic. Shot types from close-up to panoramic, color themes that can completely transform the mood, various aspect ratios for different uses. What makes Flow State truly revolutionary is what happens next. Instead of generating one or two images, it creates multiple variations based on your settings. Each generation explores different interpretations of your prompt, giving you a wealth of creative possibilities. Let me demonstrate another example. Imagine we want to create a scene of an ancient temple in a rainforest. With just this simple prompt and different style combinations, Flow State generates dozens of unique interpretations. Some might show the temple at sunrise with golden light, others during a misty morning, and some might even give it a painterly or illustrative feel. But here's where it gets really interesting. Flow State isn't just about generating images, it's about discovering new creative directions. Let's say you find an image you like but want to explore similar styles. The More Like This button automatically adjusts the settings to match that specific aesthetic and generates new variations. One of the most powerful aspects of Flow State is its ability to serve as a concept exploration tool. For instance, if you're working on a design project and need inspiration, you can use simple prompts and let Flow State generate various artistic directions you might not have considered. The system also integrates seamlessly with Leonardo's other features. Found an image you love but want it in higher resolution? The built-in upscaler is just a click away. Need to make small adjustments? The canvas feature lets you refine details or remove unwanted elements. Now, let's talk about what makes this tool particularly valuable for creative professionals. Unlike traditional prompting, where you need to know exactly what you want, Flow State encourages exploration and serendipity. It's like having a creative partner that can instantly visualize different interpretations of your ideas. Let me share some practical tips I've discovered while using Flow State. Start with simple, clear prompts. Experiment with contrasting style combinations. Use the More Like This feature to deep dive into specific aesthetics. Save interesting combinations for future reference. Don't be afraid to explore styles outside your comfort zone. While Flow State isn't perfect, you'll still occasionally get AI artifacts or unexpected results. It represents a significant step forward in making AI image generation more accessible and intuitive. Leonardo is offering this feature for free during the initial period, and even after that, it will only cost 1 credit per generation, making it one of the most accessible AI image generation tools available. What excites me most about Flow State is how it democratizes creative exploration. Whether you're a professional artist, a content creator, or just someone who enjoys experimenting with AI, this tool opens up new possibilities for creative expression.